Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to cover how to create a quote directly from the dashboard in MeasureSquare Mobile. This is a new and easy way to generate a quote without having to measure a property first. In this example, we'll do a combination of both. From here, we can go into the dashboard, scroll down, hit the plus icon on orders. Now from here, we'll hit the edit icon to start editing. And from this menu, we can either add products or labor charges or incidentals from scratch or from our product catalog. I'm going to add a labor charge from my catalog to start. Once I add it in, we have the ability to edit the quantity and the price on our own. Now we can add something from scratch as well, so we don't have to build out our catalog first. This makes it very easy to do this out in the field without having to do a measure first. So I'll add in a labor charge for moving heavy furniture, edit the quantity, and edit the price. Now we'll see we have all our items in there. Easily get the customer to sign on the spot. And then we can easily share this to the customer via email, Bluetooth printer, text, save it as a PDF, whatever we need to do. This is a great way to generate a quote very quickly on the spot without always having to rely on measuring the unit first. So we can use existing estimation data, or we can add things from scratch like we did. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you prefer, and have a great day.